first sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
Tour Lisbon.
If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
Neil.
Or have we both moved on to different names?